The Nikon Z6. The Nikon Z6 is one of my favorite cameras from Nikon because it's so compact, it's relatively cheap nowadays, and it has such good image quality. But I wanted to answer a question about its video capabilities. Is 1080p on the Z6 just as good as 4K downsized to 1080p? So what if you take a 1080p file on the Z6 and then you take the same video in 4K, but then you downsize it in post to 1080p? Will they have the same quality? I did just this and you can see the comparison on screen. On the left is a 4K file downsized to 1080p, and on the right is a 1080p file from the Nikon Z6 straight out of camera. And you can see that the 4K file is significantly more detailed than the 1080p file. Now granted, I did blow up these images 9 times. That's like transforming a 50mm lens into a 450mm lens. Nevertheless, there is a detail difference, and even without zooming in, with very detailed scenes like an outdoor nature scene, I think I can notice a difference. I noticed that the 1080p files just aren't as detailed as the 4K files when I downsize the 4K files, so it makes sense that if you want maximum image quality to shoot in 4K, even if your output is 1080p, and my output's in 1080p for YouTube at least. I don't know if you noticed, but pretty much all the videos I output on YouTube are in 1080p format. So I'm really concerned about this question because I like to shoot in 1080p and I like to output my videos in 1080p, but still, if I want maximum quality, I prefer to shoot in 4K and then downsize those files just because they're more detailed. So I hope this video helped you understand which format to shoot in on the Nikon Z6. If it didn't, try using your phone. Just joking. I'll see you again next time.